Welcome to SGS online classes. Today I am Singh going to start class 5 math assessment 1 chapter 3 operation on whole numbers part 9 division word problem. Let's start. First question, divide the greatest 7 digit number by smallest 4 digit number. Let's start. Greatest 7 digit number is, write 7 times 9. 9 9 9 9 9 9 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Smallest 4 digit number 1 2 3 4, see 1000, smallest 4 digit number. Now what we have to do, we have to do division. Divide the 7 digit greatest number by 1000. Let's start. Student, you can use property also. According to property, if we are dividing by 1000, then number at 100 tens and ones place is the remainder, rest is the quotient. We can use the property. I am doing the division. 9 9 9 9 4 5 6 7. Now let's start division. 1000. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1000 multiply by 9, so what will come? 9000. Subtract 9 minus 9 0. Write down 9 9 9, because 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9. Now note down this 9 here. Again 9 multiply 1000 by 9, you will get 9000. Subtract 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 9 0. Again note down this 9 here. So 1000 multiply by 9, 9000. Subtract 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 9 0. Now write down this 9 also. Now again multiply by 9. So 9000. 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 9 0. So remainder is 999 and quotient is 9999. So this is our division. So I have explained the property also, how to solve. Now see another question. The product of two number is 4 lakh, tens, 100,000, 10,000 lakh, 4 lakh 92,723. If one number is 567, find the other number. Student, if I say that product of two number is 4 and one number is 2, find the other number. What you will do? You will divide 4 by 2, and when you divide you will get 2, so other number is 2. The example I gave. Now same procedure we will do here also. So the product of two number is 4,92,723. If one number is 567, find the other number. So we will divide this 4,92,723 by 567, and whatever quotient will come, that is our answer, that is other number. Let's start. 567, 5840, 5945. So when we multiply it by 9, it will become more. So what we do? We multiply by 8. So 8 7 56, 8 6 48, 49 50, 51 52, 53, and so on. Let write down 4 5 3 6 minus 7 minus 6 1. This 2 is less than 3, so what we do, we will borrow 1 from this 9. This 9 will become 8, this 2 will become 12. So when we subtract 3 from 12, what we get? 9, 10, 11, 12. Now 8 minus 5, 3. 4 minus 4, 0. Now write down this 2. 3 9 1 2. 5 6 30. 5 7 35. So 35 will become more than this. So what we do? We write 6. We multiply 567 by 6. So what will come? 3 4 0 2. Now subtract 2 minus 2, 0. 1 minus 0, 1. 9 minus 4, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. So 5 1 0. Now what we do? We write down 3 here. Now multiply 5 9 45. 45. So what will it come? 9 7 63. 9 7 is 63. 6 here. 9 6 is 54. 54 plus 6 60. 9 5 is 45. 45 plus 6 51. So 5 1 0 3. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. 5 minus 5, 0. So student, other number is 869. Other number 869. So student, this question completed. Let's see. What should be added to 4,59,684 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 187? So what we can do? To get the number which should be added to 4,59,684 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 187, we have to divide 4,59,684 by 187, and then remainder should be subtracted from the divisor. The number by which we divide is called divisor, and the number which we are dividing it is dividend, and the answer we get quotient. Left number is remainder. So what we do, whatever remainder will come after dividing, that remainder we will subtract from divisor, and if we add that number to this dividend, it is exactly divisible by 187. Let's start. 187 multiply 2. 3 7 4. Subtract 9 minus 4, 5. This 5 is less than 7, so what we do? It will borrow 1 from this 4. This 4 will become 3. It will become 15. 15 minus 7, 8. 3 minus 3, 0. Now write down this 6. Now multiply by 4. So what we get? 748. Now this 6 is less than 8, so it will borrow 1 from this 5, so it will become 16, and this 5 will become 4. 16 minus 8, 8. 4 minus 4, 0. 8 minus 7, 1. 108. Now we write down this 8 here. 1088. Now we multiply 187 by 5. When we multiply 187 by 5, we get 935. 5 7 35, 5 8 40, 43, 5 1 5 4 9, 935. Subtract 8 minus 5, 3. 8 minus 3, 5. This 0 is less than 9, so it will borrow 1 from here. It will become 0 and it will become 10. 10 minus 9, 1. So 153. Now write down this 4 here. Now multiply by 8. 187 multiply by 8. What we get? 1496. Subtract. This 4 is less than 6. So student, what we do? We borrow from 3. So it will become 14. It will become 2. Let us start. 14 minus 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Write 8 here. Now this 2 is less than 9, so it will borrow 1 from this 5. So this 5 will become 4 and this 2 will become 12. 12 minus 9, 10, 11, 12. 3, 38. 4 minus 4, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. So our quotient is 2458, remainder is 38. Now what we have to do? We have to subtract this divisor, this remainder from this divisor. Subtract 187 minus 38. This 7 is less than 8, so it will borrow 1 from this 8. So this 8 will become 7 and this will become 17. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So 9. 7 minus 3, 4. This is 1. 149. So what should be added? If we add this 149 in this dividend, so this dividend is divisible by 187. Now write here, therefore 149 should be added to 4, 5, 9, 6, 8, 4, so that it becomes exactly divisible by 187. 149 should be added to 4,59,684 so that it becomes exactly divisible by 187. So part 9 division word problem completed. Thank you.